First up, let's get you the late night details that are happening in the national capital. A demolition drive that was carried out near Ramlila Maidan in Old Delhi, triggering tensions. Last night, authorities assisted by the police started a demolition drive to remove encroachments near the century-old masjid in Old Delhi. And the demolition drive that was expected to start in the morning but started around 1 a.m. Now, video showing bulldozers demolishing portions of the masjid while heavy police deployment in the place. And let's get you as far as what the shocking part is. The police say that some people also indulged in stone pelting, but the situation was brought under control through measured and minimal use of force. Demolition that was carried out in directions of the Delhi High Court at the encroached area in the vicinity of the Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid near Ramlila Maidan. Police say that during the course of the demolition, a few miscreants indulged in stone pelting, but the situation was promptly brought under control through measured and minimal use of force, ensuring that normalcy was restored without any escalation. Now, as far as the update is concerned, Delhi police will be identifying those people said to be involved in the incident of stone pelting outside the Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid. And they will be identified using body camera footage from the police officers who wore them, and the footage from nearby CCTV cameras as well would be examined. The police will soon register FIR in the stone pelting incident outside the masjid in the national capital, where they have been carrying out with this anti-encroachment drive. Let's get connected with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, the restrictions and diversions we are told that have already been put in place, a traffic advisory that has also been sounded. But as far as these developments are concerned, late at night, the anti-encroachment drive that was carried out by the authorities there on the directions of the court met with protest and even incidents of stone pelting.
Well, yes, indeed, Amita. And firstly, I would like to show you the visuals here, as right now we are standing just in front of Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid, where this demolition drive was being conducted by the MCD in a late evening yesterday at 1 a.m. in the morning. This entire demolition drive was being conducted here at Faiz-e-Ilahi Masjid, which is nearby the Ramlila Maidan, as this is being done in pursuing the orders of the Delhi High Court. And you can see in the visuals as well that only the encroached area nearby this masjid has been demolished by the MCD. There is no bulldozer action which is being taken at this particular masjid. However, unfortunately, a stone pelting incident has also taken place when MCD was conducting this drive, as some of the miscreants tried to disturb this entire drive which is being conducted by the MCD. As many as 5 police officers have also been injured due to this stone pelting incident which has taken place yesterday at night. However, now the police has started investigating this entire matter, as they are using the body cameras and the CCTV footage which has been recorded at that point in time. We have also been joined by the DC, Mr. Vivek Agarwal, with us, sir. This entire demolition drive which is being conducted here nearby the masjid, the stone pelting incident has taken place. What's the further action which the police is going to take regarding this entire matter?
The operation started. We were prepared with all our machinery by 11 p.m. in the night. So we had 32 JCBs and we had 4 Proclean machines. We have also pneumatic hammers. So we have arranged all the machinery along with the trucks. So in the night when we started, before starting, we got a call that there is some problem, but the police force was in full strength and the situation was immediately brought under control. And then after that only we moved our machines and our team was completely safe.
Sir, how many people have got injured, and how you are going to investigate that who all were being involved in this stone pelting incident?
So that is for the police to take action, but as far as my team, MCD team is concerned, our team is completely safe. We were not affected by any stone pelting incident.
So all the demolition drive has been conducted only in the enclosed area. There is nothing which is being done to the masjid, as this message was also being given to the locals here as well, sir?
Yes, whatever the document shown by the committee, as per the document, the area which the masjid has, it is safe with the masjid, and we have done demolition exercise only on the encroached portion.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. So that was Mr. Vivek Agarwal, who's the Deputy Commissioner here, as he has also clarified that all this demolition drive was being taken only in the enclosed area, as the masjid is not being touched. However, during this demolition drive, there was stone pelting
in the
incident.
directions of the court there as far as this demolition drive that has been carried out, but where incidents of stone pelting that has also been reported. Nyamika is joining us from the spot there. What we are getting to know that the SHO, Chandni Mahal, has also been injured in those incident of clashes being reported. Mahavir Prasad is said to be another one said to be those hurt, with 5 other police officers being injured. MCD staff also, what is being said, had suffered minor injuries, and these injuries were sustained during the operation. All of them are said to be in a stable situation, and the situation has been now brought under control as we are looking at currently when it comes to the situation. So Nyamika, if you can get us a quick update, will the MCD now continue with its demolition drive if there is any left? As far as has it covered the entire area according to the directions?
Well, the demolition is almost over now, as I have also shown you the visuals here, as this was the area, the encroached area where this entire drive had taken place yesterday late at night, as this drive was started at 11 p.m. as you have just heard Mr. Vivek Agarwal, who is the DC. He had also clarified that at 11 p.m. this drive had started, but at around 1 a.m. late at night, the stone pelting had begun by some of the miscreants, because of which as many as 5 police officers have been injured, and some of the MCD members have also got some injuries due to this stone pelting. However, now this entire demolition drive is almost being over, as this has also been clarified to the locals here, as you have also listened to what Mr. Vivek Agarwal has stated, that before this entire demolition drive had started, there were several rounds of meetings of the Aman committee which had also taken place, so that this message can also...
That pictures came in. Bulldozers and earth movers can be seen raising parts of a masjid there, as far as the companies and police personnel keeping a watch, triggering protests by the local residents. Remember, this is the encroachments there which are illegal, and amid the unrest, this Delhi police launched an investigation to identify the attackers using CCTV footage and body camera recording from the scene. FIR is said to be shortly to be filed regarding the violence that has been reported in Old Delhi. Nyamika, for the moment, thank you very much for getting us that live update.